Struggling with the Windows cannot access the specified device error on Windows 11? Here are 5 quick fixes to get you back on track. Right-click on any application that cannot access the problem. After that, right-clicking on the application and select Run as Administrator. Open your antivirus software like Windows Security. On the left sidebar, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down and then click on Manage Settings under the Virus and Threat Protection settings. Toggle off the Real-Time Protection. Select the file you want to open. Right-click on the selected file. Choose Properties from the context menu. Then navigate to the Security tab. Under the group or user name, click on the Edit button. Check desired permissions for System under the Allow column in the pop-up window. Then verify if the issue is resolved. Right-click on Space on the desktop, then from the menu, select New. After that, click on Shortcut. Click on Browse to select EXE that has Windows cannot access the specified path error, then press the OK button. Choose Next and enter a shortcut title. Click Finish to add the new program shortcut. Open Control Panel from the Start menu and select Programs. Now select Programs and Features option. Right-click on any program and select Uninstall Change. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.